to my channel. My name is Bree. If you're new, welcome. So as you can see by today's title, we are doing a flex rod set on my natural hair. And this will be my first attempt. Yes, my first attempt on camera. I don't know why. I decided to do it on camera to see how the results turn out and see how, you know, everything works out. So if you're interested in seeing exactly how I achieve my look or how it turns out and everything, just make sure you keep on watching. So getting into everything, basically I want to do a flex rod set. I want to try something different instead of doing like a regular wash and go. So I thought, since I don't know how to braid to the scalp and I'm still trying to figure out how to do flat twists, yeah, I'm one of those girls. I'm one of those girls. Don't judge.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
But anyway, I thought this would be like an easy thing to do. So I've already washed my hair. I've already washed it and conditioned it and everything. And let's see, I'm gonna take one side down. And I've already put in my leave-in for today. The leave-in conditioner that I've been using lately, I've been loving lately, is by African Price, or Hydrate Strength leave-in cream. This is what, let me see. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry I can't see it on the screen, but I will have in the description box down below. This keeps or brings or provides, this provides me great moisture. So I really been loving that lately. Doing like cream and stuff like that. I'm just going to be doing a mousse. So the mousse that I'm going in with is my Curl Defining Mousse by Lotta Body. I love this mousse. Okay, so I parted my hair and I'm want to do, since it's my first attempt or whatever, I want the look to come out right and I don't want to do too many. And so I rather just do bigger sections first. And I ended up picking, I don't have that many. I don't know what happened to my my Flexi rods, but I really don't have that many Flexi rods left over. I used to have a bunch of the gray and the purple ones, but this is all I can find, y'all. But I ended up going to Target and I ended up picking up these smaller ones. These are bigger and these are more smaller, so I ended up picking up those from Target. But anyway, so let me go ahead and make sure I comb through my hair. I think that's what, like, one of the keys is just to make sure that you comb through your hair. And this is the only brush that I use whenever I do comb through my natural hair, just to make sure I get all the kinks and stuff out. Since I'm doing bigger sections, I'm gonna go ahead and just put, instead of doing it like section by section with the mousse, I'm gonna just go ahead and just put it all over my hair. And this should be enough of a hold. And since I put in my leave-in, I don't have to worry about any, like, my hair being dry, like nothing like that. So I think this is the only thing that I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna comb my hair one more time, or not comb it, I'm gonna brush through my hair one more time just to make sure I still got all them kinks and stuff out. And I'm trying to think. I think I'm gonna go in with the smaller ones in the back and the bigger ones in the front. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go in, and then as I'm wrapping it, my hair around, I'm still like curling it like around, if that makes any sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but, and I'm starting at the root. I like to start at the root. Like whenever I do my, I haven't done like a flex rod set in a very long time, but whenever I did, I always started at the root of my hair. Okay. Y'all think it's gonna stay? Hopefully it stays without any issues. So again, I'm gonna start at the root of it, and then I'm going to make sure I curl at the same time as I'm wrapping my hair around. I don't know, y'all, this is my first attempt, So hopefully this comes out right. That's the end of my hair, and I just needed to stay. I need to stay. Just try to make sure you put as much mousse to help it foam and form on the rod, so you won't have this difficulty like I'm having right now. Okay, so this side is done. Granted, I could have been a little bit more neat, but this is my first attempt. You keep doing it. Practice makes perfect. So hopefully if I keep doing it, it'll get better. But hopefully this will turn out good, you know, for the first try. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna try to speed it up a little bit so it is repetitive. Basically, you know how to, you know, do this part. So I'm gonna do that and we'll be right back. Okay, so I am back, done. So this is what my head is looking like as of right now. Like I said, I didn't want to do really small ones. I want to do more big, chunky. So yeah, we're going to let this dry overnight, air dry, blow dry it, let it do its thing, and be back tomorrow for the final results, y'all. Let's just pray that this first attempt goes great, okay? So yes, I'll be back tomorrow for the final results. Okay, so I am back and it's the next day, and I let my hair dry, air dry majority, well, of course, overnight, and I did blow dry it an hour today, an hour yesterday. So hopefully, or a little bit like around 2.5 hours completely. Hopefully, pray, y'all, that this or my hair is completely dry. Okay, like completely dry. So let's go ahead and start unraveling. I'm not going to put oil in my hair hands just yet. I'm just unraveling them. So we're going to start in the back. Hopefully, let's see. And then I'm going to do it this way. Okay. The root is, I want to say like 95% dry. It could be a dry a little bit more, or I could have dried it a little bit longer, but it looks, so far it looks like it's okay. So let's keep going. I'm just unraveling them like this, as so. They look so pretty though, like, okay, kind of proud of myself. Unravel it. Let's see. Yeah, I think the root of my hair, it's like it needs to be dried a little bit longer. Okay, this one definitely needs to be dry a little bit longer. Yeah, still wet at the root. If this one's wet at the root, then I know this one's wet at the root. So this is what my hair looks like as of right now. Again, this is my first try, so this is like a learning experience, learning as I'm going. I'm going to, the next time I do the style, I'll make sure to invest in a hooded dryer and just sit up under that for a few hours instead of just like letting it, and then letting it air dry instead of like going in with my blow dryer for like an hour. I guess that part doesn't help at all. So just keep that in mind. Go ahead and start unraveling my hair. I am going to go in with my the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian oil. This is my go-to oil. I use this for my regular wash and goes. So go in with a little bit on my hands. My hair, like I said, it's like 95% dry, but like in some areas, yeah, it's like, it's not wet, but it's wet. So I'm trying to figure, okay, so let's see. Go in completely. Go in one by one. The curl pattern, I'm not trying to disturb the curl pattern, as you can see. Ugh. See, and I think, yeah, the frizziness, it needs to be dry a little bit longer for sure. Curls are pretty though, I'm not gonna lie, curls are pretty. Okay, as you can see, I mean, we was hoping for the best. We got what we got, basically. So, I mean, I feel like it's in conjunction with my hair not being all the way dry. The curls are pretty, whatnot. The curls are pretty, but I gotta try something different. I like the idea of doing, you know, a flexi rod set, but I would have to try something different because of it's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. I mean, practice makes perfect. I realize that practice makes perfect. And with saying that, I just need to learn from my mistakes. You can see the curls in the back, or my hair looks like a mushroom, basically, like a little mushroom. I mean, it's the curls are popping. I will give you that. The curls are really pretty, but it's just that the fact that I need to switch it up a little bit the next time. I'm going to perfect this, and when I perfect it, I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, I had to do something else. I couldn't let my hair look like that. I mean, that would have been a waste. So instead of looking like a little mushroom, I ended up stretching my hair just a little bit in the back, just a little bit. And I ended up doing like a half down. Again, I said before, I'm gonna say it again, it's my first attempt, so hopefully practice makes perfect. Going forward, the next time I do bring it on camera, it will be right. I promise it will be right. One thing, main thing, well, yeah, the first thing, of course, make sure I get a hooded dryer and make sure that I stay up under the hood dryer for at least 2 to 3 hours instead of taking a break. Just go ahead and get it over with, unless you have time to just leave your hair in the rods for days. You know, I don't have time for that. The next thing, instead of doing like, I'm still gonna do these curls, still need to be tight, but at the same time, instead of doing them like this, the way that I did them at first, and trying to like do them like that, I'm going to try to, I guess, extend it, especially in the back, extend it a little bit more like that or something like that, and just curl my wind my hair around the rod like that, so it can extend it a little bit and not be so uptight when I do take it down, especially in the back, because my hair is longer in the front than it is in the back. I don't have my hair shaped. Eventually I may have my hair shaped, but for the time being I don't. So my hair is not in a right, you know, state. But anyway, if you know what I'm talking about, then you know. But anyway, besides that, I think that's pretty much it. I like the mousse. The mousse didn't held up perfectly. And of course, make sure you comb out your hair. I'm gonna try to. I think I prefer the smaller ones instead of the bigger ones on my hair. But besides that, I think the mousse did good. I think I just need to section my hair in smaller sections the next time. I'm gonna try smaller sections the next time. Anyway, but thank you guys. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for clicking on my video and watching this hot mess express as we attempted to do my very first flex rod set. Let me know down in the comment section if you tried this set and what do you suggest on doing. And yeah, basically next time we gonna get it right. But anyway, thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and join the fam. You won't miss out of all things free. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video, and until next time, bye.